Hello friends, welcome to another round of my financial predictions. This time I have Tesla and I'll cover the British pound against the USD for the Forex pair for this month of March. Today is the 3rd of March, so we have very volatile days, not just for Tesla, but for the markets in general, especially if you have been watching my crypto predictions. You already know that I told you that these basically the first 10 days of March are going to be very, very volatile. That's exactly what we are seeing right now. So for Tesla, at least, we can expect more volatility tomorrow and on the 5. But on the 5 to the 6, we can maybe see powerful corrections, okay? And I can already tell you that the 6th of March is going to be also very volatile, as well as the 7. Okay, so 6 and 7 very volatile, both of these 2 days. Remember, every circle or box that has a day and overlaps with another one of the opposite energy, we basically have very high chances of seeing crazy volatility around those days. So for example, in this box right here, we have only the 12. Okay, also on the circle, the red 12. And inside this range of box from the 10 to the 14 is obviously also the 12. So we can already see many of these days will be very volatile, okay? Red zones or red boxes are danger zones. Okay, these are the days where possibly very interesting developments will occur. So we have potential corrections around the 10 to the 14. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be all of these days a correction, a red day. What I'm saying is that some of these days could be very powerful corrections. So be prepared for anything like that. After that, we see possibly kind of a cool down range of days from the 17 to the 19. I think these days could be either very relaxed or could be more like in range, in complete flat range. Okay, this is something that February, at least for Tesla, we barely even saw, but some other months we really see lots of range. So that's what I think could happen around these days. But beginning on the 20th of March and afterwards, I think this could be the worst days for Tesla. Okay, especially because we have more danger zones right here, 24 to 27. Which in my opinion the most likely candidate could be the 27 or possibly the 26, which also very volatile. This green box, 26 to 27, technically we could see powerful pumps, powerful green days around these days as well, but in my experience this doesn't really play out many times as it's displayed. So I will be careful around these days if I were to put a long. For any of that, I will need confirmation from other signals. So from the 27 to the 30, basically almost the end of the month, we can see powerful corrections. Okay, this means that this month could potentially be very, especially if the first 2 weeks of March are not that good for Tesla, then we can expect another red month, which could be the consecutive red month after February. In fact, January also. So yeah, this could be very bad for Tesla to have 3 consecutive red months. This could be very dangerous. But yeah, guys, that's basically the prediction for Tesla. The last day could be very volatile, but I think because of these danger zones and because of the red circle right here, and because many other factors, we can expect some powerful volatility and powerful corrections around these days. Now, for the Forex pair, I told you it's the British pound against the dollar. So it will be quite an interesting Forex pair, this one. Okay, it's showing that the first, from the 4 to the 7, we can expect some range days. Okay, some volatility. For example, we saw lots of volatility today on the 3rd of March. This can maybe continue in some other days, especially maybe tomorrow and on the 5. But the 6 and 7 could be more relaxed, okay? These ones could be more in range. Around the 9 to the 10 we can expect some impulses. From the 10 especially, it could be a very volatile day, so it could go either way. And on the 11 also potentially very volatile, okay, because of what I just told you for the Tesla. Okay, whenever you have energies overlapping the same days, you can expect some powerful volatility. Now, if I were to say, I will lean more towards seeing the 10th of March as a green day, because the signals are stronger for that. Okay, for example, the 11 is more on the red because of this danger zone right here. After that, we can see, after this danger zone from the 11 to the 14, especially the 13, 14, very, very volatile days. Many of these days will be very volatile, meaning that will provide good long and short opportunities, okay? So be careful around these days. Always watch what the market is doing. If you already have experience doing trading and using your favorite indicators or whatever, try to find the best entries, because these days could provide massive opportunities for both buy and sell. Around the 16th of March, possibly a red day. The 17th is more likely to be completely green and very powerful. So around the 18 to the 21, more corrections, okay? 18 right here, very likely candidate for seeing a completely red day. Possibly also on the 19. The 19 is potentially going to be very volatile, so it could go either way. From the 20 to 21, maybe some respite, maybe some recoveries from these corrections. But crashing again on the 22, one of the last circles of the green energy, of the basically impulse energy. 23, 24, potential volatility for the 24. This one is technically the last, but is the one that I'm actually most least confident about this, okay? It can happen because the Euro pair, the Euro Forex pair that I did on the last month also had some days right here, and not many of them played out, but some of them did. So it could go either way as well. Around the 28 to the 30, almost like exactly like Tesla, we can see powerful corrections, okay? Especially the 28, 29, completely both days on the red. So we need to be careful about this, about trading this, especially really considering not doing any longs around this time period. And 30 to 31, we can see some powerful, some relaxation, I think. Some days could be volatile, around the 30, for example. But maybe the end won't be as bad as with other Forex pair and closings. So yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you. I may prepare some other predictions, very special predictions. It really depends on the support that I see on the channel, because this information is very, very powerful, and I really don't want to share that just like that, okay? I mean, there has to be some incentive for me to do that. So having said that, I just wish you all a good day. I invite you all to subscribe, share, and like. Give me your comments, give me your suggestions, whatever. I'll take them into account, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.